Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set a Hyundai Elantra timing chain. First, ensure your engine is at top dead center, or TDC, by aligning the crankshaft and camshaft marks. This crucial initial step prevents valve-to-piston contact. We will cover the essential tools and precise steps needed for a successful installation. Following these instructions carefully will help maintain your engine's optimal performance and longevity. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools, including a precise torque wrench, timing chain locking tools, and a suitable set of sockets. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, carefully remove components such as the serpentine belt, crankshaft pulley, and valve cover to gain full access to the timing chain cover. Proper preparation saves time and prevents errors during the process. With the timing cover off, carefully install the new timing chain, ensuring all marked links align perfectly with the corresponding marks on the crankshaft and camshaft sprockets. This alignment is absolutely critical for engine timing. Next, install the timing chain tensioner, making sure it provides the correct amount of tension without being too tight or too loose. Finally, reassemble the timing cover and other components, torquing all bolts to the manufacturer's specified values. After reassembly, double-check all electrical connections, hoses, and fluid levels. It's a good practice to manually rotate the engine 2 full revolutions to confirm smooth operation and correct timing before starting. Once everything is secure, start the engine and listen carefully for any unusual noises or vibrations. A smooth idle indicates a successful installation. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.